Hi, my name is Cheryl Jones, and I want to invite you to a workshop I'm offering starting September the 1st. It's called Master Your Emotions, Master Your Life. It's built on the principles of my book, Emotional Self-Mastery. We'll be looking at three of those core principles. The first one being personal power. You know, the things that we say to ourselves and that other people say to us very often undermine our confidence and undermine our belief in ourselves. So during that first week, we're going to look at personal power and how we can reclaim it. During week 2, we're going to explore self-confidence. What do we need to do to regain our self-confidence and keep it strong and keep it healthy? During the third week, we're going to talk about inner peace and how do we achieve inner peace so that the things that other people say and do don't really get under our skin and we kind of let them brush off our shoulders and don't take them personally. It's going to be a great workshop. For all the details, visit my website, simplythebestresults.com/master for all the details. It's super inexpensive to attend. It's only $69, and with the promo code, you can get it for less. So go now and register.